All right, guys, I am not getting problem 28, so I am moving on. F this. That's what you do. That's what you do. You move on. 47 over 9 plus 3 over 2x equals 5 over 3. 5 over 2x plus 1. All right, let's do this. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of those brackets, right? So 5 times 5 equals 25. 3 times 2 equals 6, and I put the x here. 5 over 3 times plus 1 equals 5 over 3, and that equals, here we don't have to do really anything, we just have to carry down, plus 3 over 2x. Now, we have to get rid of these brackets. Now, I suggest multiplying by 18, because 18 divided by 9 equals 2, 18 divided by 2 equals 9, 18 divided by 6 equals 3, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So 18. Now, so if I get rid of this, I'm left with a 2. 2 times 47, I can't do it by heart. I just can't do it. All right, it's 94. And then another 18 here. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So I'll put a 9 here. 9 times 3 times 7 equals plus 27x equals. Here, I'm going to put a little 3 here. 3 times 25 times x equals 75x. Here we divide, we get 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. All right. So we're going to put minus 30 here, minus 30 here. We're going to get 64. We're going to put minus 27x here, minus 27x here. We're going to get, I don't know, what are we going to get? 48x, good. So we have here 48x divided by 48 equals 64 divided by 48, which equals x equals 64 over 48. Now you're going to look at this and you're tempted to divide by how much? 6? Does that look good? Let's divide by 6. 6. Actually, 6 ain't good. Let's say 4. So 48 divided by 4 equals 12. 64 divided by 4, what does that equal? 16. Oh, I think I can divide by another 4 here. I could have divided all of that by 8. Sorry. So here we divide by 4. Here we divide by 4. I get 4 over 3, right? 4 over 3. Is this the right answer? I feel it's the right answer. That's what I'm feeling. 29, 4 over 3. Yes. Last problem. Last freaking problem of this chapter that I want to throw out the window. All right, number 30. 30 is 1 over 3n plus 29 over 6 equals 2, 4 over 3n plus 2 over 3. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so we want to get rid of those brackets, right? And this is a really easy one to get rid of because there's no fraction, right? That's those little tricks they do. They're little tricks. They're little tricks to freak you out. You've been dealing with fractions the whole time. Well, you're just multiplying a whole number, and a whole number is 2 over 1, right? So you don't touch the denominator. So that's 2 times 4 equals 8 over 3n. And 2 times 2 over 4 equals, well, 4 over 3. And here we have 1 over 3n plus 29 over 6. Do you guys see where I'm going with this? I feel you guys must see where I'm going with this. Interesting note, wait a minute, if I have 1/3 a banana and I have 8/3 of a banana here, I can combine like terms, huh? I think I can. So here I'll do 1 minus 1 over 3n minus 1 over 3n, and let's just bring the n down. It's really 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3 equals 8 minus 1 equals 7 over 3. That's what that is. 7 over 3n plus 29 over 6 equals. I did that wrong. Hold on. That's eliminated. 29 over 6 equals 7 over 3n plus 4 over 3. Now, I have a 6 and a 3. If I multiply both sides by 6, I'll get rid of those fractions. So, boom, I'm left here with 29 equals 6 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. It's the same thing, so we're getting rid of these guys and we're calling it a 2. We're going to multiply everything by 2. 2 times 7 times 9 equals 4 times n equals 14n. 2 times 7 times n equals 14n. 2 times 4 equals 8. If I drag this 8 over to the other side by subtracting 8, I'm left with 14n. 29 minus 8 equals 21. Divide by both sides by 14. N equals 21 over 14. If I divide the top and the bottom by 7, I get n equals 3 over 2. Is that the right answer? Because I am so sick of this chapter. Yes, it is. All right, that's it. That's all. So we move on next time to chapter 1.5, and it starts getting crazy.